Understanding YouTube TV and XRP. YouTube TV is a streaming service offering live TV channels and on-demand content, while XRP is a cryptocurrency developed by Ripple Labs. There is no direct integration between YouTube TV and XRP. Here's what you need to know. Number 1. YouTube TV Overview. Service type: live TV streaming platform. Content offered: over 85 channels including news, sports, and entertainment. Subscription model: monthly fee paid via traditional payment methods, credit, debit cards. Number 2. XRP Overview. Currency type: digital cryptocurrency. Developed by Ripple Labs. Primary use: facilitating fast and low-cost international money transfers. Number 3. Payment methods for YouTube TV. Accepted forms: major credit and debit cards. Cryptocurrency payments: currently, YouTube TV does not accept cryptocurrencies, including XRP, for subscription payments. Number 4. Potential future developments. Industry trends: some streaming platforms are exploring cryptocurrency payments. YouTube TV's position: no official announcements regarding the acceptance of XRP or other cryptocurrencies. Conclusion: as of now, YouTube TV operates independently of XRP with no direct interactions between the two. Subscribers must use traditional payment methods for YouTube TV services.